Hey fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here. I just got a new multi-tool from Leatherman, the Signal. Probably got my first Leatherman back in the 80s. I had a student in class who just got this new Signal and I had to have it, so I got it on Amazon. Thought we'd open it up and check it out. So here it is, the Leatherman Signal. Comes with the sheath. This is the green with the topo on the blade. Both a regular blade and a serrated blade. Goes one hand. Oh, easy open, easy close. Replaceable blade on the wire snips. Needle nose, two different sizes there. I do actually like this hammer a lot. So you can hammer with it. Locks it down so it won't open. Saw blade. Open that up here, I guess, at the end, or you could even get it out there a little bit. And on the inside, I do like them kind of minimalized like this. It's actually all the tools I really need. Sewing awl, so it's an awl with a hole in it, so you could stitch with it. That's a cool feature. Flat screwdriver, locks in place, slotted in Phillips. Pretty good. Can opener. Those three tools there. The pliers with the wire clippers, a saw and the blade. And then this is why it's a Signal, because it's for outdoor use. Wilderness, this comes up. This pushes out, and so whistle. Sorry if I deafened you, kind of loud. It's kind of clever, it has that little channel in it right there. That channel hooks right there. Snaps in. Oh, that's like a dual action safety. Yeah, so that's a knife sharpener. I don't know how practical that'll be, but it certainly holds on there well. That looks kind of cool. I do like that lock. And on the back of the whistle here, see how this works.